Get the ball rolling. The idiom, get the ball rolling, is a common expression that means to start or initiate an activity or process. It is often used when a group of people need to begin working on something or when an individual wants to kick-start a project or discussion. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Let's get the ball rolling on our team project by brainstorming some ideas. In this example, the speaker is suggesting that they start generating ideas for the team project. 2. The meeting was going nowhere until Sarah got the ball rolling with her presentation. Here, Sarah's presentation helped to initiate the discussion and move the meeting forward. 3. We need to get the ball rolling on organizing the charity event. This sentence emphasizes the need to start planning and taking action for the charity event. 4. The manager encouraged the employees to get the ball rolling on implementing the new system. In this case, the manager is urging the employees to start working on putting the new system in place. 5. I'll start the conversation by asking a few questions to get the ball rolling. This example shows how someone can use this idiom to indicate that they will begin a conversation to initiate engagement and participation. Overall, get the ball rolling is a figurative expression that conveys the idea of starting an activity or process. It is commonly used in both formal and informal contexts to encourage action and progress,